This is how you make Greek salad at home. Have you ever wondered what makes a Greek salad truly the best? In this video, I am going to reveal the secret to a recipe for a Greek salad that's so fresh and delicious that you will want to make it at every barbecue party. And here is how you make it. Start with salad dressing. Put a large teaspoon of Dijon mustard in a bowl. Grate 2 cloves of garlic, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, 2 teaspoons of dried oregano, freshly grated pepper for taste. Mix the ingredients with a whisk. Make a circle out of a dish towel and put the ball in it. The ball will stay in place without needing to be held in your hand. Start stirring with a whisk and slowly add the extra virgin olive oil. If you like this video, please subscribe and leave me a comment. Put the dressing in the fridge. Prepare all the vegetables. Cut the bitter ends of the cucumber. Then peel the cucumber. Cut the cucumber to quarters and slice it into pieces. Peel 1/2 of a red onion per cucumber. Cut the onion into half moons, about 3 mm thick. Separate the chopped onion into individual layers. Black olives in salted brine. I have got about 100 grams. You can cut them in half. I like to cut them in thirds. Cut 3 medium tomatoes into quarters and remove the stem. Cut the tomatoes into bigger chunks than the cucumber and olives. This will add a refreshing touch to the salad. I have 180 grams of feta cheese. Split the cheese in two. Crumble the larger one into the bowl with your fingers. A Greek salad without Greek cheese is like fish without water. Pour the dressing over the salad. Take 2 spatulas and mix it all together very carefully. You don't want to squish the tomatoes and smear the cheese. When you are done mixing, let the salad rest and chill in the fridge. Put the salad on a plate or in a bowl and sprinkle it with a little crumbled feta cheese you set aside earlier. Ultimately, making a Greek salad is all about achieving balance and freshness. And if you are looking for more recipes, be sure to check out my other cooking videos. Bon appetit! Thank you for watching. See you next time.